Okay, so we're going to do a little at-home sheet mask for SMD, and we're going to use a little bit of aloe gel into a little bit of water. I think about a spoonful is good. I'm just going to make sure that it's all diluted into there. And we're going to do a little bit of snail serum. That much, just to really like hydrate and to make sure everything feels nice. Get all that good stuff into there. And just drop these little sheet masks that come from, you can get them on Amazon, and all kinds of brands do them, but you just make sure that all of that good stuff is fully in there. I'll show you, just very carefully unravel the sheet mask. Now you can wear. Okay. And smells nice. All that aloe gel. Okay, here's me looking awesome. 10 minutes, and we'll come back and take it off. Okay, just rub the last bit in. Ready to go.